Hey everyone! If you want to install workshop maps in CS2, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download and play workshop maps. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Go to your library. Select Counter-Strike 2. On the right side, scroll down to the Workshop section. Click Browse the Workshop. Use the search bar, or browse the available maps. When you find a map you want, open it. Then click Subscribe. Steam will automatically download the map. Wait for the download to finish. Now launch Counter-Strike 2. From the main menu, click Play. Select Workshop Maps. Choose the map you downloaded. Then click Go. The map will load, and you can start playing. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.